What if I told you that right now, millions of Americans are legally paying zero interest on their credit card debt, even when average rates are over 20%? Sounds fake, right? But it's not. In fact, banks are the ones offering it. And here's the crazy part. Most people either don't know about this, or they use it completely wrong and end up deeper in debt. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how 0% APR credit cards work, how smart Americans are using them to beat high interest and inflation, and the biggest mistakes you must avoid. If you're serious about saving money and getting out of debt faster, this video could literally save you thousands. Section 1. What is 0% APR? Let's start with the basics. APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the interest you pay when you carry a balance on your credit card. In the US today, most credit cards charge anywhere between 18% and 29% APR. That means if you owe $5,000, you could be paying over $1,000 per year just in interest. And that's money you're not even using to reduce your actual debt. Now here's where 0% APR comes in. Some credit cards offer a promotional period where your interest rate is literally 0%. No interest. Nothing. This period usually lasts anywhere from 12 to 21 months, depending on the card. During this time, you can carry a balance. You can make payments over time. And 100% of your payment goes toward your principal. It sounds like a cheat code, but there's a reason banks offer this. Section 2. Why banks offer 0% APR? Let's be clear, banks are not doing this to help you. They're doing it to make money. Here's how. First, they want to attract new customers. A 0% offer is extremely attractive. Second, they're betting that many people won't pay off their balance before the promotional period ends. And once that happens, boom, your interest rate jumps to 20% or even higher. That's where they make their profit. So yes, this strategy can work incredibly well, but only if you're more disciplined than the system designed to trap you. Section 3. Strategy number 1. Balance transfer method. This is the most powerful and most searched strategy in the US. Let's say you currently have $6,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest. That's roughly $120 in interest per month. That's money gone. Now imagine transferring that balance to a 0% APR credit card. Immediately, your interest drops to zero. Every dollar you pay reduces your debt. Now here's something important. Most balance transfer cards charge a 3% to 5% fee. So on $6,000, that's about $180 to $300. But compare that to paying over $1,000 in interest annually, it's still a huge win. This is exactly how many Americans are aggressively paying down debt in 2026. Section 4. Strategy number 2. Smart purchase financing. The second way people use 0% APR cards is for financing big expenses. Let's say you need to pay for a laptop for work, medical expenses, car repair, or even starting a small side hustle. Instead of taking a high-interest personal loan, you use a 0% APR credit card and spread the payments over 12 to 18 months. No interest, no extra cost. But listen carefully, this only works if you already know how you're going to pay it back. Otherwise, you're just delaying a financial problem that will come back stronger. Section 5. The biggest mistakes people make. This is where most people fail and why banks make billions. Mistake number 1. They treat the credit limit like free money and start overspending. Mistake number 2. They only make minimum payments, thinking they have time. Mistake number 3. They forget when the 0% APR period ends. And then suddenly, the promotional period expires, and their interest rate jumps to 25% or more. Even worse, some cards apply deferred or retroactive interest, meaning you could be charged interest on the entire amount from day one. That's a financial trap you want to avoid at all costs. Section 6. Pro strategy, payoff system. Here's how smart users stay ahead. They follow a simple system. Step 1. Take your total balance. Step 2. Divide it by the number of months in the 0% period. Step 3. Set automatic monthly payments. Let's say $7,200 debt for 18 months equals $400 per month. Now you have a clear plan. No guessing. No stress. And most importantly, you finish paying it off before interest ever starts. This is the difference between using credit cards as a tool and becoming a victim of them. Section 7. Who should use this strategy? This strategy works best for people with high-interest debt, people with steady income, people who are disciplined with money. But it's not for impulsive spenders, people already missing payments, anyone without a clear payoff plan. If you're not careful, this can backfire. 0% APR credit cards are one of the most powerful financial tools available in the United States today. They can help you escape high-interest debt, manage expenses smarter, and even build better financial habits. But only if you use them with discipline and a plan. If you want, I can create a video breaking down the best 0% APR credit cards in the US right now based on your situation. Just comment card below. And if you're serious about mastering money, avoiding debt, and building real wealth in America, subscribe to Smart Money USA. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money. We show you how to control it.